Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's learn. All Apple Watches fixed black screen wouldn't turn on and display black. So, what to do it? Well, as you can see, my watch is working well. But if your watch just stuck on the Apple logo and not moving ahead, then what to do it? Well, to fix an Apple logo, like stuck on the screen, then you just need to try force restarting it. Well, for that, you need to press both the side buttons, uh, this black button or this crown button simultaneously all together until the screen goes black and the Apple logo starts getting appear. Let's press and hold this. Just wait for the Apple logo to come in front. As you can see, the screen goes black. Let's wait for the Apple logo. And here it is. Now simply release it and your problems will definitely get resolved by this restart to your iPhone. This is actually a force restart. Your iWatch will definitely start working well after this force restart. You don't need to do anything, it will start working well. Let's wait for it to get turned on so that you can use it for your future. Let's be patient and wait for the watch to get started. During the force restart, it will actually take time to do so. As you can see, it is done. Enter the passcode and you can very easily use your Apple Watch here like this. So, I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. So, thank you so much and may you all have a great day.